You wake up and reach for your phone, like anyone would. It's a 2026 phone, sleek, fast, glass, and it opens to a list of 40 approved sites. There's no search bar, there's a request form. If you want a page that isn't on the list, you apply, and you wait about 9 days. On the fridge, held by a magnet, your phone permit. One video call abroad this month. You already used it on your sister. Her face on that call was pixelated by a filter you didn't choose. Not for privacy. So the sensor can read the transcript first. You get up and look out the window. At the end of your street, concrete. And above it, drones, tracking every face on the pavement. The wall is 65 years old. The cameras your father helped build are 6 months old. That's the strangest thing about your world. It's brand new, and it never moved. This is 2026, and your Cold War never ended. It comes down to one night in 1989, and one man at a gate who did not open it. November 9th, 1989. A guard at a crossing gate, about your age, cold hands. Behind the barrier, your mother is in the crowd. She's 31. In our world, nobody answers his phone. He shrugs and lifts the barrier with his own hand. That shrug is why, in our world, you can hug your sister. In this world, his phone rings first. The order is clear. He lowers his hand. Your mother goes home, and she never speaks of it again. The wall holds. The reformers lose. And the system decides that if it wants to keep your family in, it can't stay behind. It has to modernize. So this world gets everything your world has. Smartphones, streaming, satellites, artificial intelligence. It just gets all of it with a lock on it. Your father assembles processors at a plant. He's not allowed to say for what. The chips he makes go into things he'll never be permitted to use. Your phone tracks your steps, your heart rate, and your route. Not for you. There's a second app, and you can't uninstall it. Your neighbor's son tried to cross at 19. The drones logged his face before he reached the sand. He didn't come home. Your money is digital here too, same as yours. Except the state can switch it off on any Tuesday. And it does. There is an internet, it's just 2 of them. Yours ends at the wall. Your sister's begins on the other side. The cables meet nowhere. There's artificial intelligence, of course. Both sides have it. Yours is very good at telling you what it's allowed to tell you. Above your street, 2 space stations orbit 40 minutes apart. Neither docking port fits the other. Somebody decided that on purpose, before you were born. Your son asks why he can't just message his cousin. You explain the request form. He's 8, and he already understands. Twice a year, on approved days, you stand on a platform and wave. She stands on hers, 80 meters away, filming you on a phone she can't send you the video from. You've never touched her children. You know their faces from a video call that a sensor watched before you did. And now you're back at your window. The phone with 40 sites, the permit on the fridge, the drones over the concrete. Now you know why. One night in 1989, one phone call that came through in time, one gate that stayed shut, and a century that never got out of it. In our world, that phone didn't ring. The guard shrugged, the barrier went up, and your mother walked through it into a crowd of strangers who were all hugging each other. Everything you'd call normal, searching whatever you like, calling your sister at midnight for no reason, a street that just keeps going, grew out of that shrug. So here's the question, and it's a small one, not about empires, about one man at a gate on a cold night, and whether his phone rang before he reached for the lever that would have handed you your sister. How thin was the line between your life and this one? Tell me in the comments which world you'd rather wake up in, and I'll show you the next one.